my biggest life learning lesson was that difficulties are actually wonderful opportunities. When I look back, I would think that if I did not have difficulties, perhaps I would not have come so far. Difficulties opened my eyes as to what was lacking in me, and I could move forward. But as I said earlier, this knowledge is given in Sri Aurobindo's and Mother's philosophy, who say that any problem, whether psychological or physical, come to teach us a lesson. And if the lessons are learnt well, the problems don't come again and again. It is only when people continue to make the same mistakes, they don't learn, that they continue to feel the pain either in the body or in the mind, emotions. They have problem with relationships or finance or any other things. So illness of any kind is also an opportunity to reflect. Sadness, anger, depression, etc. are also opportunities. So this is what I learned, that life is for growth of the inner consciousness. Life is for progress. It is an evolutionary journey. So this is what I learned, and this has helped me so much that over the years, I could navigate my life towards more and more joy and strength.